right, you guys, are you ready for this? Here we go. This is pretty exciting because race car. Nothing cooler, right? So, Scott, thank you for allowing us to work on your Mini. Scott is going to be taking this to the Velocity Invitational, and he needed a functioning alternator. So we put one of our alternator kits in it so that he had some high-powered headlights, because the race goes into the evening, and that's one of the few things we have to do to this thing, along with it needs a clutch. So and we did some wiring and some other good stuff. Let's light this fire. Nothing like the smell of race gas in the morning. Well, while we're building up some heat in this thing, let's talk about a few of the specs on the motor. It's got JE pistons in it. It's hitting about 12.5 to 1 compression. Really big valve ported cylinder head. 7-inch Maniflow chrome intake manifold on a 45 DCOE Weber carb. It's got a straight cut close ratio gearbox with straight cut drops from Jackknight. It's got a Quaife limited slip in it. 1.5 roller rockers. All the good stuff. And we already know, we put it on the dyno and we made 102 horsepower. Now, 20 years ago, when Graham at Heritage Garage built the motor, it made 105 wheel horsepower. Same motor, 20 years later, many races. It's still alive, it's still holding together, and it made 102. Unbelievable. Good job, Graham. All right. Also, helps if you put the steering wheel on straight too. This car actually has license plates, turn signals, headlights. It's street legal. Kinda. Needs a horn, needs wipers, maybe some street legal tires. Maybe it's not totally street legal.
It's illegal.
It's illegal.
But what a grocery getter, huh? Oh, this is awesome. It's got a visored APT SPVP scatter pattern 4 cam in it. So it's a little lumpy. One of my favorite lines is, men love women even more than that.
Men love cars.
Damn. signals. And they work. Well, hot damn! That was kind of fun. Did you guys enjoy that? I did. Scott, thank you again. This has been awesome. I appreciate it, my friend. Wow. Okay, that was freaking awesome. If you guys didn't enjoy that, you better check your pulse, because you ain't living. Wow. Woo-wee. Yep. See you on the next one. Oh.